Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how to hold call on your iPhone. Generally, we know that calls can be never be held on iPhone. In this video, I will show a small tricks through which you can easily put call hold on your iPhone. We don't need any settings or any third-party apps to hold calls. We can hold our iPhone calls only through a simple tricks. First of all, we need to make a call from another phone on iPhone and receive the call. After receiving the call, we see many options like mute, keypad, speaker, add call, etc. But we don't see any call hold option here. So to hold the call, we have to long press on mute and hold it for a while. Our call will be put on hold. If you want to unhold the call, then click on mute once to unhold the call. In this way, you can put the call on hold on your iPhone. See you in the next video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and share. To get more tips and tricks videos like this, subscribe to our Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.